Alrighty. Good morning. It is April 8th, 2024, Monday, and I'm going to go over just the current structures of the three major pairs that I track. And that is going to be USD CAD, USD JPY, and AUD USD. Okay. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to do a daily tracking of the daily time frame structure and the H4 structure, so that I can basically reflect and see what are the changes that are happening to the structure of the market as the week progresses. Okay, and this is just me sharing with you guys a little bit of that and just practicing technical analysis and getting better at analyzing the market, right? This is what you do, repetition. So here we go. Let's start off with USD CAD. So as I was looking at the market today, let me bring that up really quick. I was looking at the market from pretty much, as you can see, February all the way up until now, April. From a daily perspective, we've really struggled to break certain levels in certain key areas of the market itself. Primarily, this zone right here is an aspect where we are struggling. So market, despite its current higher highs and higher lows that are being formed within mainly this section of the market, if we look at the overall scope, USD CAD has just been consolidating, going from that one corner to the other corner to the other corner to the other corner, etc. At this current point in time, given this massive new high, this is a prominent new high that has been formed in relationship to all of this. So what this indicates really is that a lot of these sellers that were in this zone are likely to be stopped out, right? Now, if we are going to get a continuation into 136,820 and actually start trending, if that is to happen, what we want to see is markets start to push in this direction as this week now progresses. Keep in mind, it took a long time to break out of this consolidation zone, okay? So, summary for USD CAD. We are still in consolidation. We don't have an actual clean break. However, from a daily perspective, we are very, very likely to start trending upwards, unless today, at the end of the close of the market, we all of a sudden get some sort of just rejection overall, and then come back and likely go into consolidation once over again, right? That is one aspect. So that is UC. Okay, so USD CAD is done. Let's move on over to USD JPY. So UJ is coming off of the back end of a massive bullish push, right? We see that same kind of bullish push here. We did clear the overall structure. So overall market direction, we're not currently bullish, right? Overall, we're not currently bullish, but we are coming from bullish structure points, right? And that's the major key. What we do see here is, again, from mid-April, mid late April, all the way up until almost mid late March, all the way up until almost mid-April, all we've been doing is consolidating. So what we want to be on the lookout for as these next weeks come on by is, are we going to be able to clear this weekly level of the 150-193, or are we going to come back and probably retrace for a little bit before making an overall direction? So obviously the two possibilities, and only two possibilities from this breakout, is either for it to go long or for it to go short into a pullback. We don't have that answer yet. We need to basically clear out this consolidation that we are currently stuck in. Once we're able to clear that out from a structural standpoint, then we can have the stronger bias of, okay, we're probably more likely going to be seeing shorter opportunities or long opportunities, and really that's all we're doing. here right now. We're just trying to get a bird's eye view and scope of what's going on with the market so that we're prepared for our sessions. Okay, UJ on the daily. Now let's go to AU. AU also from a daily perspective, what we can see here is again, common theme that is going around most pairs is this range is obviously much greater, but again, we are in consolidation. We're going from one corner of the market to the other corner of the market, back into the corner of the market, and now we're here stuck again, right? What is going to happen? Again, very unclear, right? One thing for sure to note is that if we do start to break and get good bullish candles across this level, then this can truly mean that we are in for an actual break and move and rally to then the upside, right? However, if that does not happen and we start to get any kind of bearish sentiment around this region, then we're likely to go back down and then consolidate until the market basically decides what it needs to do, right? So again, a lot of consolidation going on across the major three pairs, different ranges and different sizes. That's one thing to keep in mind of on the daily time frame. Now I'm going to pull up the H4 time frame, where we're going to get just a refinement of that view, of that look, right, of what that looks like. So going back to USD CAD, let me pull that one up first. So USD CAD, from a daily perspective overall, or from an intraday or intra-week perspective, again, we're at the top of that consolidation range right now. We did reject it once, we rejected it twice, right? Can market clear? Yes, it can, right? However, it is looking like it's going to go back down, mainly because of this first rejection, then the secondary rejection. Unless this strikes and firms as a higher low, then we are to go and break. If we do start to break back here, then we really want to start looking for those longs. But again, we are at the top of that consolidation range on USD CAD. Okay, so what I'm trying to say right now is the moment in time is to wait. Right, we gotta wait a little bit until we actually get a clear direction. Market is not trending significantly for us to be like, okay, we're now going this way, right? We don't have that clear view right now. Let's go to UJ. UJ, in today's session, as it's been doing, again, at the top of the box, at the top of the weekly level, if we look at it from the previous perspectives, these were all sell areas, right? As long as we sold anywhere near these points, we would have gone into profit. Again, gone into profit and then gone into profit. Sometimes requires patience. So that is the assumption that we have here based on the previous data, right? We're just trying to follow the same suit because we either continue or we go based off of what the market showed us on the previous notes, right? So depending on how these candles close, my anticipation is that market is just going to come back in at least into the middle of the range, to then decide what it's going to do again, right? It can keep on bouncing, but until we break out of this, we don't have a clear trend. There's no way for us to jump on basically the train as it is moving. As right now, it's pretty much stuck. So that is that. And then moving over to the CAD, AU, man, what is going on over here? Like, that's just really, really messy PA. Definitely hard to read at times. Definitely hard to read at times. So we are coming out of this major clutter and major gap, which seems to be the mid area of this top consolidation range as we're going from this corner to that corner, to this corner to that corner. Here's obviously a lower bound. We came from an overall push. Is this to be a higher low, or is market going to either tap and then reject or create resistance here and then potentially come back into consolidation? Again, this is all going to depend on the next couple hours, next couple sessions throughout this week to see what is going to happen. But these are the overall structures. So again, market overall is in consolidation across the board. Keep in mind, again, this is a sell zone, sell area as market tapped it and reached it on the previous data points that we have. The indication is if market reaches a zone and there is some sort of rejection, this is a strong area of sells. It does not mean that a trade is guaranteed, right? Remember that. That's always important. Market is capricious. It can do whatever it wants, but we have to use what we've seen in the past, basically apply it again in the future, because the likelihood of it happening is a lot higher than just guessing, right? And that is pretty much it, guys. So that is the current structure of the market. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will catch you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys have a great day. Safe trading, use your stop loss, use your risk management. I'll talk to you guys on the next one. It's your boy Bliss. Peace out.